Okay then, YouTubers, it's a bit of a barbecue video. So I'm out in Kefalonia and I've got my villa and I'm going to do a bit of cooking. So what have I got? I'm going to do some Ouzo herb, there's my herbs, pork steaks on the barbecue. So all I've got is some really nice olive oil in this bowl with some herbs. So the olive oil actually is incredible. I've been drinking it. It's amazing. This Allianz actually really good. Really nice mixed herb pack. So that's for just a jam off the barbecue. Salt, pepper, dead easy. In a bowl, bit of ouzo. Put the pork in. I'm going to leave that to marinate. You don't need to watch me stir it, and I'll show you when it's on the grill, and we'll have a look. But this is looking promising. So this is the barbecue that I'm going to do my pork on. You can actually do a whole pig on this guy, but I've just started a little one. Because you can hear those crickets in the background that are huge. You can see that's better, isn't it? So look, there's our little fire. Can add a bit more fuel on in a minute. But yeah, it's looking good. This is the way to go on holiday. Bit of barbecuing in a barbecue fit for a pig. Okay, so we're back to the grill then. So there's my pork. Got it at the coals, wait about 45 minutes. So I haven't turned it over yet, but look at that. It's incredible. So a bit of garlic added into the mixture from before. It's only had a 4 or 5 hour marinade with the ouzo, the herbs, the salt, the pepper. Oh, the olive oil is incredible. It's looking good though. Let me see if I think I'm ready to turn a piece over. Let's see. Give it, I mean, look at that, that's looking good. This is looking nice. So we'll give it a turn over. I think we'll do a couple of times. So we kind of sealed it, keep the moisture in. We don't want anything to burn. That's a common mistake with barbecue, of course. Lots of people do stuff and then they just burn it. So we'll just move that piece out. Leave this one in. This is looking incredible. So first barbecue. Okay then people, so I've turned a couple of times now. It's quite a gentle heat from the charcoal, which is good. You can see we're looking at a little bit of darkening. It's not dried out. I'm going to do something the Turks tend to do. So we're just going to lay on the pita breads on top of the meat. So they'll get a little bit of moisture from the meat and heat up. So we're going to give that a couple of minutes. I'm going to turn them over. And then everything's going to be ready really, but that's looking good. I'm feeling very chuffed with my first barbecue in Kefalonia. I might actually blow on the coals a little. That'll just give it a little bit more heat just to finish off. But yeah, good job I think overall. Okay then people, so I'm back in Kefalonia, first barbecue. Pork's done, I'm just giving it a couple of minutes because they're only thin steaks. So you look, the nice caramelisation. And if you see here, what I've done with the pizzas, because they've sat on the meat a little bit, they're just absorbing a bit of that oil, caramelising, a bit of flavour to it. So they're just going to be incredible really as pizza pockets. I'm going to cut them in half to serve. They're going to be really, really nice. But it's actually a Turkish thing where they obviously put the bread on top of the meat, get a bit of the olive oil that also stops it burning, which is good, but it also enhances the pita bread. So there you go, so first Kefalonian barbecue. So here you go, this is my first Kefalonian barbecue. We've got the pork in the ouzo and the herb marinade with the pizzas done kind of Turkish style with the olive oil from the barbecue. We've got a little bit of salad there with some feta and some herbs, and we've got olives this time, cucumber, bit of hummus and tzatziki and fish puree effectively, which they call taros and but it's looking good. So we're going to tuck in, but it's so easy to do. So if you want to try it, give it a go, ask me some questions.